Want to know how to make AI emojis in Messenger? You would want to make AI emoji in Messenger to communicate in a fun way with your friends and families. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to make AI emoji in Messenger. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Messenger app on your screen. Now open any chat for which you wish to generate AI emojis. Then tap on the smiley face icon. Here under the AI sticker, tap on the first icon. Finally, type a word or a phrase in the message bar to generate your AI sticker. So this is how to make AI emoji in Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.